peace be upon you. Now we are going to enter the second question. The second question it is that the relation R defined on the set A minus 1 comma 0 comma 1 as relation R A comma B such that A square is equal to B. So we are going to consider the relation. First we can write in roster form. The relation can be written in a roster form. For that purpose we can take the relation. What is the relation here? A square is equal to B. What is A and B? A is the first element, B is the second element. So we can select the minus 1 as A. So if A is equal to minus 1, then minus 1 square is equal to B. We know that minus 1 square means minus 1 into minus 1 plus 1, which is equal to B. So the value of B is equal to 1. As A is equal to minus 1, B is equal to 1. So we can write the first ordered pair. In the place of A minus 1, the answer is B is equal to 1. Now we can give second element 0. Suppose here we give 0. 0 square means what? 0. So when we give 0, the same number 0 is getting. Next, 1 can be given here. Instead of A, 1 is given, 1 square is equal to 1. So 1 comma 1 also exists. So it's over. Now we are going to check the relation is equivalence or not. If it is equivalence, we have to check three relations. What are the three relations? First one, reflexive relation. Reflexive relation. Second one, symmetric. And third one, transitive. These three relations are satisfying. We can call it as equivalence relation. So first we are going to check reflexive or not. As I told you, reflexive means the domain. Here minus 1 is there. Here 0 is there. Here 1 is there. If you select one of the domain, that means minus 1 element of the given set A. Now there should exist minus 1 comma minus 1. You check here minus 1 comma 1 is there, but minus 1 comma minus 1 is not there. So it does not exist means it is not reflexive. So it is not element of this R. But in the case of other domains 0, 0, 1, 1 is existing, but all should be existing. Then only we can call it is reflexive. So it is not reflexive. Now we are going to check symmetric. So we want to write here it is not reflexive. Not reflexive. Symmetric or not. For getting symmetric, we can select one of the element. Here minus 1 comma 1 is an element of R. Minus 1 comma 1 is an element of R. Then it's a reverse order also required to exist. That means 1 comma minus 1 is required to exist in R. But you check here anywhere 1 comma 1 is there. But 1 comma minus 1 is not there. So it is not symmetric. Not symmetric. Now last we are going to check transitive or not. Transitive or not. How to check a transitive or not? We want to consider two elements. We can select here minus 1 comma 1 is there. Here ends with 1. With this any x value is there? Yes, 1 is there. So minus 1 comma 1 is selected and 1 comma 1 also selected. If these two elements, first element's y value comes as second element x value. Such cases, these two are element in R. Such cases, this first element and this last element, that means minus 1 comma 1. Yes, it is already existing element of R. Not only this, such a way all the elements 0 comma 0 ends with 0. Again any element start with 0 we have to check, but it is not starting. So this is enough. Such cases, if it is existing all cases, we will say that if generally A comma B and B comma C element of R implies this first element and last element, A comma C is also element of R. This condition is happening, then only we are going to check this condition. Here we selected minus 1 comma 1, this ends with 1. Any other element is starting with 1. Yes, here starting. That's why we are going to check with that. 0 comma 0 is ends with 0. By starting with 0, any other element is there? No, this itself. So no need to check. Such cases we don't want to check. So if such a way -1 comma 1 and 1 comma 1, this order is saying that a comma b and b comma c, if it exists in the relation set, we have to check a comma c is an element or not. This is the transfer. This is transitivity. Here transitive. So this is okay, element of R, therefore it is transitive. But we know that it is not symmetric and not reflexive. These all conditions are satisfying, then only we can call it as equivalence relation. So we are telling this is not equivalence relation, not equivalence. Okay. So I think you understood that. Now you can practice the similar questions. This question you can expect for especially in CBSE board examination, and also you can expect the Kerala 12th board examination also. Thank you.